Hi friends, welcome to Demi Python series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to draw text on Python Folium maps, just like markers, using the folium.div icon. So the output will be something like this. On a map, you can draw text. So this is an interactive output. You can see on this map, I have drawn a text just like a marker. So this might be the requirement in some of our projects where instead of markers, we have to write text over the map. So let's see how it can be achieved. Actually, it's really simple. You create a folium.marker as usual. And now for this case, you create an icon called icon equal to folium.div icon. So what you're doing is you're creating a div icon. That means instead of a marker, you can write a HTML div now. And inside the div, you can write your content whatever you want. And in my case, I've written a text. And that's why I've got this text instead of a marker. So this is how you can achieve this text marker effect using the folium.div icon on a folium marker. And one more thing I had to do here is, I wanted to style the div content. So for that, you can give a class name attribute to this div icon. That means the div which you have plotted on this map will have this class name which you have assigned. And by injecting HTML onto your folium map, you can inject a style tag, and in that style tag, you can obviously customize the CSS of this class objects. Seems really simple, right? So let's get started with coding. I'm going to take a blank folder. I'm going to open it with VS Code. I'm going to create a blank file. I'll just name it index.py. All right, let's get started. So now first I'll import folium, and then I'm create a map object, and I'll write folium.map. Now my map is created. So now I want to center this map at a desired location. So I'll just write location equal to the latitude longitude, and I'll write zoom start so that my map will be initialized at my desired zoom. So I'm going to take my location from my blog post. So I'll just copy paste it here. Now I'm going to save this map object as a HTML file. So I'll just write map object.save, and I'm going to name the file as output.html. So I'll just write output.html, and then I'm going to create a marker on this map object, right? So I'll write folium.marker, and then I'm going to add it to my map, right? So I add to map object, and then I have to give the location to this marker, right? So I'll just write location equal to, and now in this example I just want to keep the location same as the center of my map. So I'm going to just copy paste the same location here, and then just for the effect I just want to add some pop-up text here. So I'll just write pop-up equal to, and I'll just write some text like center of the map. All right, so let me try to run this and see what happens. So I'll just run this, and now I should get a file called output.html, right? So here you can see I've got an output.html file. So let me try to open it in a browser. I'm going to open this output.html file in a browser now. You can see I've got a marker in the center of my map, and this is a normal marker. But the effect which we want to achieve is basically you want a text instead of marker, right? So let's try to change our codes to do something like that. So I'm going to give another option to this folium.marker function. I'm going to write icon equal to, and I'll write folium.div icon. So now what I'm doing is instead of a default marker, I'm giving a div. So the option which I've got to give is HTML equal to. So this is the HTML which I'm going to inject in this div, right? So I'm using this triple quote so that I can write multi-line strings. And here inside this div, I will write a small span. I'll just write hello world. You can write any HTML content. You can even keep images in this because it's just HTML, right? I'll just write hello world here, and I'll save it, and let me try to run and see what happens. So now the desired effect is basically instead of an icon, you should get this HTML hello world, right? So let me try to save it and run this, and now let me try to reload my output.html file here. So if I reload this, you can see our marker is here, and instead of a marker, you got the desired effect which is showing HTML, and here we have written hello world, right? So great. But now I want to style this hello world. I want to make it look bigger, and I want to make it red color. So how can I do that? You can do that by even writing inline CSS here, but the way I found it easy is I'll just give another attribute called class name, and I'll give some class name to this. I'll just write map text. You can give any class name, and if I inject HTML so that I can use this class name to style these divs, then it will be looking a bit cleaner, right? So what I'll do is I'll inject HTML onto this map. In our previous videos also we've explained how to inject HTML onto folium map object. It's really simple. If you want to know, you can even refer my video. I will leave the link in the description of this video. So now let's try to inject HTML onto this folium map object. I'll just write map object dot get root, and then I'll write dot HTML, and I'll write add child, and in this add child I'll write a folium.element. So folium.element is like adding HTML element onto this folium map, And inside this folium.element, I can write my HTML which I'm going to inject onto this map object. So here the same way I'm going to use triple quotes so that I can write multi-line strings. So here I'm going to write a style tag, and inside this style I'll add the CSS which I want now. So my CSS is basically I have to address this map text class. So I'll just write dot map text, and here I'll write color, and I'll write right here so that my text will be red color, and I want to make it a little bit bigger. So I'll just write font size as large. All this is some very simple CSS customization. So I'll just save it and run this. So what we did here was we given a class name to our injected div on this marker, and through injected HTML what I did was I inserted style tags and customized this map text class. It's really simple. So I'll just run this now, and let me try to see how the updated output.html file will be. If I run this, so you can see here our div icon which has a class called maps text, and since we have customized it with the injected HTML, you can see the output is now customized marker. So one more undesirable effect which I am seeing here is my hello world is in 2 lines, but I didn't tell that. I just wanted to be single line now. So how can you do that? So a very simple trick how you can achieve this is basically you have to write white space no wrap in CSS. So I'll just write that now, white space, and I'll write no wrap. So what it does is that it will make content in a single line. So I'll just save it and run this now, and let me try to reload our output now. Now you can see my hello world is in a single line. So you can see it's really simple to draw text markers on a Folium Python map using div icons. So that is it, guys. Just by using icon equal to folium.div icon and injecting some HTML to customize the style of the div icon, you can achieve your desired effect of drawing text markers on a Folium Python map. You can see I've created a blog post on drawing text markers on a Python Folium map here, and I have even given the source code so that you can copy paste in your own PC and try it for yourself. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching.